how's it going, y'all? South Texas Elevators EAS here. Texas. It's hot in Texas. But what if it got hotter? Well, someone on the Texas EAS Discord server made this audio file of an excessive heat warning on WXK 67. By the way, can you make one for WXK 26? Without further ado, let's just play it.
NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 3 p.m. in San Antonio, it was sunny. The temperature was 50,156, the dew point 48,521. The relative humidity was 99%. The wind east at 462,896 miles an hour, and the pressure was 4.03 inches and falling. Austin Bergstrom sunny 67,843. Bernie sunny 81,638. Pleasanton sunny 81,401. Kennedy sunny 83,964. Corpus Christi sunny 48,802. Brownsville partly cloudy 105,913. Houston mostly sunny 41,503. Dallas Fort Worth sunny 254,305. San Angelo sunny 78,512. Laredo partly cloudy 96,212. Amarillo cloudy 84,513. Once again at San Antonio it was 50,156. Excessive heat warning remains in effect for South Central Texas until further notice. What heat indices will reach into the 100,000s? Where? All of South Central Texas. When? From 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time until further notice. Dangerous heat conditions will impact South Central Texas until further notice. The sun currently is too close to the earth, therefore causing unseasonably warm temperatures. Please stay indoors during the period of excessive heat. Do not go outside. Your local forecast. Tonight, clear. Lows around 40,000. West winds around 200,000 miles per hour. Sunday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 60,000. East winds around 200,000 miles per hour. Sunday night, clear. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, constant cloud-to-ground lightning, and extremely heavy rain. Lows in the mid-50,000s.
Yeah, that is hot. But what was the temperature in Laredo?
Laredo partly cloudy 96,212.
96,212.